difficult for a person who doesn't want to work hard. But inshallah, you will work hard. Allah will make it easy for us, for you and me, both of us, inshallah. And we will progress, inshallah. Now, this is not supposed to be like this. You know, Dr. Saab does not explain. I am taking a little side way to explain you all these things, because I realized when I was studying, you know, that had I known all these things side by side, it would have made my understanding much better, stronger and easier. And you will soon realize, inshallah. You are given 5 sheets here today. Tomorrow you will get 50 sheets. No charge. Only one charge, that you will do it. That you will write it. Inshallah. Just with pencil, you will write it. And then once we complete Mahdi, you will keep this in the file. Once you complete Mahdi, then book 2, when we do Mudariya, you'll take out the same sheet and continue. This sheet will be completed, you know, by the end of book 2. Are you with me? By the end of book 2, we will complete. Slowly, slowly, 2 at a time. I always say to my students, you know, since I come from Indo-Pak subcontinent, there are many things that I remember, and one thing that I always used to remember, whenever you hear Binaka Geetmala, they used to say, Dodo goli, Aspro. So if you take 2 tablets of Aspro, you will never get headache. If you do 2 conjugation of verbs, you will never get the headache of Arabic language. Are you with me? 2 conjugations per day. One has to do to remain healthy in verbs. Are you with me? So you will remember Dodo goli, Aspro. Okay? So this, inshallah, will make you strong. And we have got sheets for everybody. We'll give you 50 sheets tomorrow, inshallah. And you keep them. I don't expect you to do everything, brother. Tomorrow you should do the 5, what you have. But only up to here, which should not be difficult. And then rest of it, tomorrow we'll complete it. It is about time to take a break. So inshallah, we'll take a break. And then we will proceed, inshallah. Yes, brother. Go 1 second. Okay, brothers and sisters, we are back to our lesson. I had a very interesting question from Brother Abdul Qadir. He said, you know, that normally the round ta marbuta is the sign of feminine. So is that here? What kind of a ta is this? And why it is not round ta? Are you with me? Fatimatu, Aishatu, there is a round ta at the end. Ta marbuta. So I explained him that, brother, that rule only applies to the nouns. We are not studying nouns now. We are studying verbs. In the verb, there is no ta marbuta. In the verbs, they are all open tas. So, kharajat, ta has a sukoon. And we call it ta utanisi. But it is open ta. And this is kharajat plus alif. When alif came, the sukoon changed into fatah. Kharajata. So, if I analyze this to you, brothers and sisters, if I analyze this verb, it has 3 parts. How many parts, brother? 3 parts. Brother Abdul Samad, what are those 3 parts? Okay, that is the verb, fi'al. And what is this, brother? No, ta'utanisi. Never ever say damir. What is it? What is ta'utanisi, Sister Salma? Sign of feminine. That the doer of the action are feminine. Feminine. Doer of the action is a feminine. So, fi'al then Tau sign of feminine, and now, okay, we got two things done. Where is the file? Then file is the alif. Are you with me? Is it clear? So anytime you will have huma, it will be fi'al, Tau tanisi, and file. Huh? Inshallah, you will remember it. Okay. The humma we don't use very often, but it is there in the Quran. It is there in the Quran. So, one of the students, when we were doing this, he said, Hazrat Adam is mentioned in the Quran. What about his wife, Bibi Hawa? There's no mention of it. So when we were learning verbs and things like that, then when we were doing, it was in book 2, when we said the verb, this is a verb. It's not a normal verb, it's a different kind of verb. Can you see here? In between there is an alif, and there is no vowel sign. How will you pronounce this? Kala. What will you pronounce? Kala. This we will do in book 2. End of book 2 we'll go in detail and do all these verbs, Okay, why there's a fatah here and nothing in between, we will learn that later on. So, but you can conjugate. Do you know you can conjugate? Try it. Brother Hassan, huwa qala. And next one will be qala. Next one will be qalu. See, now you can do it, huh? How come you can all do it now, huh? And alif has to be put. Brother Farooq said, what is this alif? I said, we will explain you later on. Right now, no question asked. Just put it. It's a spelling rule. And what will be the next one? Ka-lat. 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 And next one? Ka-la-ta. Okay, if you divide this into different parts, verb, Tau tanisi, and then file. Yeah, see, you got it. See, with how much ease you could do it, brother. So with little practice, inshallah, you will go a lot ahead. Now, brother, when I explained to him, then he came and said, in the Quran, when Allah addressed Hazrat Adam, they made a mistake, okay? And when they replied, they said, Kala. Oh, who are those two then? So it is him and his wife. So this, where is the file in Kala? Alif. What does it represent? 2. So who are those 2? And Hawa. So Hawa is mentioned. He was quite pleased with what he learned, Okay? So, who are those 2 who said to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that we have made an error? Qala Rabbana zalamna anfusana illam taghfir lana wa tarhamna lanakunanna min al-khasirin.
Anfusana is plural, so that means more than one have done.
Yes, anfusana, because he's now using in the first person.
Yes.
Okay? No, but do you see Qala? If it comes Qala means 2. Not 3, 2. And when you say Qalu, it comes in the Quran all the time, means they said. And Qala, he said. Qalat, she said. Are you with me? It's very easy, brother, inshallah. The rest of it, tomorrow we'll do it. Because that agreement will come from the lawyers. And we'll read the agreement, and then we'll discuss, should we sign or should we leave it? But I guess we have no choice. We have to sign it. Varna chapati ghor mein kaun pakayega? Okay, brothers. So, now we are ready to move forward. Aina Abbasun. What is the answer? Page number 24. But before we move, Brother Hassan reminded me there is there are a lot of typos in this. Okay? There are mistakes. What was the page, brother? If you catch any typos, let me know. Okay. That is the problem with printing in India, Pakistan. They are so much in rush to print. They said we'll correct them afterwards. In the next printing we'll correct them, and that next printing never comes.
16.
Page 16. Look at page 16, brothers and sisters. It says Dikun, and then it should be Adiku. See, none of you noticed except Brother Hassan. Adiku. It cannot be Ka. It has to be Ku. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? You know, somebody said, you know, why there are so many mistakes in India, Pakistan? Don't they have proofreaders? I said, you know, I'm sure there are proofreaders. But then when that proofreader catches the mistakes and goes to the manager, sir, I found a mistake. Did you find a mistake? Okay, jane do. Let it go. We are in rush to print it. Next time we will correct it.
Log samajh jayenge.
Log samajh jayenge. Yes. Okay, brothers and sisters. So here are we, brothers and sisters. Aina. What is the answer?
Kharaj.
No, but what is kharaja?
He left.
He left. Remember I told you, brothers and sisters, there are two kinds of sentences in Arabic language or in English lesson, the same thing, language. One sentence that we have been studying so far is Jumla Ismiya. When the noun is in the front of a sentence, it becomes Jumla Ismiya. In English we call it nominal sentence, and it has got subject and predicate. In Arabic we say Mubtada and Khabar. Okay. What is the other kind of sentence? Verbal sentence. The sentence will begin with a verb. Brothers and sisters, this kharaja, 3 letter, is a complete sentence. What is it, Brother Hassan? This is a complete verbal sentence. What is the meaning? He left. He left. That's a sentence. So we have to analyze it now. If there is a verb in the sentence, what are we looking for? Doer, mashallah, mashallah. File. What are we looking for? If there is a mubtada, we are looking for khabar. If there is a fi'al, we are looking for file. We are looking for file. So where is the file in kharaja? Mustatir. Remember, hidden. Remember, you will have to memorize this, inshallah. Everything is written on page number 7. Go home tonight, you will check page number 7, but thoroughly. You will read page number 7 thoroughly. Okay? So, kharaja, where is the file? The file is mustatir. So it is a complete sentence, brother. Okay? Very good. Aina dhahaba. What is the meaning of dhahaba? He went. So how will you translate aina dhahaba? How will you translate? Where did he go? Where did he go? What is the next sentence? Dhahaba ila al-mudiri. Okay, are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay, what kind of a sentence is this? It's a verbal sentence because it started with a verb. Okay, so where is the verb? Where is the file? Hidden. Mustatir. See, this is how we analyze. And what is ilal mudir? Jar majroor. That's it. We don't want anything because it's not a khabar. Are you with me? So in that situation, when it is not khabar, we will only say jar majroor. What will we say? Jar majroor. Baat khatam ho gayi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? He went to the director, headmaster, principal. Okay? Or director. Director is better. وَأَيْنَ ذَهَبَ عَلِيٌّ. No, we do not analyze question mark. What is the translation? Where did Ali go? Huh? MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Where did Ali go? Okay. So, what is the answer? Zahaba ilal mirhadi. Ilal mirhadi. Mirhadi. Okay? Fine. Brother, what kind of sentence is this? Verbal sentence. Where is the verb? Where is the file? Mustatir. Huh? And what is the rest? Jar majroor. Are you with me? Jar majroor. MashaAllah. You got the idea, brothers and sisters? Huh? It's easy.